to the Millcreek shop. Today we're going to show you how to replace a worn-out roller. With normal use, the roller will develop a groove where it makes contact with the star cam. When this groove reaches a depth of 1/8 inch, it is time to replace it. This is an easy job. You will need a 3/4 inch wrench and needle nose pliers. Move the spreader so that the roller is on the lowest position on the star cam. Grab the top of the spring with needle nose pliers and remove it from the roller arm. Next, lift the roller arm up and remove the retaining nut. Now slide the old roller off and slide the new roller on. Now tighten the retaining nut until it is snug. Then back it off 1/2 turn. Make sure the roller can spin freely. Reattach the spring, and that's all there is to it. Congratulations on a job well done.